Hi, it's Angela from The Root, and this is Swag of the Week. Today, I'm talking about Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops available at Sephora. This is a highlighting serum that hydrates your skin and helps reduce the look of hyperpigmentation. I love that it's great for all skin types, so whether your skin is normal, oily, dry, or a combination, this product has got you covered. I love that it has multiple uses, so you can use it before your moisturizer as a daily serum, under your makeup as a primer, or try mixing it with your blush or foundation to give your skin a nice, natural glow. I didn't love the price. At $34, it's a little expensive, but I do love that just a little bit of the product goes a long way. Just one pump of this lightweight gel will keep your skin glowing all day, so you can look at the price as an investment in great looking skin. So is this a hot buy or a not buy? Overall, I'd have to say this is a pretty hot buy, and the one product I didn't know my skincare routine was missing. I'm actually kind of getting used to this glow. So that was Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops available at Sephora. Tune in next week at theroot.com to see what else lands on my desk.